Hey everybody,
Yep.
welcome back. And for this one we are drawing Saltias from Elemon.
Yep. Elemon.
Here we go. Okay, easy. This one is rather simple.
Yeah.
Easy drawing.
Yeah.
So, Saltias is a little cat creature.
Yeah.
A salt cat creature. That's why her name is Saltias. So, in the middle of the page right here, make a dot there, little dot, and we drew a little diamond shape. You got that?
Yep.
From there, we drew cat ear shapes. Come, mine is bigger than the other. One is bigger than, oh, yours as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're gonna make a rounded shape going down the bottom. So, a U shape, like a bowl, but connecting these lines. Here we go.
Yep.
Okay. So from here, we need to draw more bits of cube coming off. You see that? I drew 2 extra pieces of cube. And you can just add another one there. Those are salt crystals,
Yep.
like little bits of salt. And below that, we have 2 big eyes. So, oh, mine should have been bigger. Okay, my second one is bigger than the first one. And now we have 2 little eyelashes. Got yours? And now the biggest pupils we've ever drawn, I think. So we draw massive pupils. Look how cute that looks already. So as big as you can, you draw a pupil inside there. Got that? Yep, you got it. And we drew a little kitty smile, like a smile that a kitten would do, like that. And we go back over it just to make it a bit thicker. And that's a little kitten smile. Yeah, it's yours. That's cute, my boy. And now we drew just a little shape like that, and on the other side as well. You went ahead of me. Just another little shape like that. That's a little paws. Looks like hands.
Yeah.
And from here we do 2 of them at the bottom, because that's a little feet.
Yeah.
Paws as well.
Yeah. So she can fly.
Yeah, she can fly. She's a kitten, salt crystal kitten creature that can fly. So I'm gonna color in those pupils with a marker quickly. Wow. And my pupil is done.
Yep.
Now we need to draw a series of salt crystals that makes an arc shape to form a tail, shaped like a tail.
Yep. But mine want to do it up.
Are yours gonna go up? Okay, mine is gonna curl down and yours is gonna curl up. So you just draw squeeze and squeeze, all in the same space, in the same area, different sizes, and it's little bits of salt. That's my little bits of salt. Yours is going up. That's so cute. Then I have a little crumbly bit, tiny little crumbly bit, and another bit there. Saltias is so cute, man.
Yeah.
And there we have it, everybody. That's Saltias.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so are we gonna color?
Yeah.
Now Saltias is mainly pink, but
Yeah.
she has a bit of a yellowy glow.
Yeah.
So you can go around the edges with a bit of yellow if you want to. I'm gonna add the glow. I don't know if it will show much, but I'm gonna do this. Here we go.
Let's make brand new formulas for me and you. We're all different like the elements, but that's what makes life so fun. I can't wait to see what we'll make in my lab. Bravery is what it takes. Don't be nervous, you'll do great. H2O is what you drink, and now a friend that you can meet. Carbon, helium, silicon, and gold in my lab. Science! Secret! Miles! You're my friends!
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Saltias. Did you have fun with this one, Izzy?
Yep.
She's rather easy to draw, eh? Little simple character. So you can get lots of your friends to try and draw this one.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Finally.